Starting on the pole to be the 321 from St. Charles, Missouri, a Cold War. And on the outside, a Cold War to be the 57, a Chase Roberts, row number 2. On the inside, a Seymour, Missouri, it'll be 11, a Taylon Lawson. On the outside, it'll be the 75, and a Springdale, Arkansas, of Andrew Hillian. Row number 3 on the inside, it'll be the 76 from California, Missouri, Jarrett Hatch. On the outside from Springfield, Missouri, car number 67, it'll be Eric Tracy. Row number 4 from Arkansas, the 18 of Jeff Zimmerman. On the outside, it'll be the 43 from the Mountain Home, Arkansas, Michael Smith.
Whoops, sorry. I didn't mean to run over you. I promise. Okay. I need Pro Predator B. Pro Predator B mains.
Here we go, getting them lined up here. Ward and Roberts, your front row. Lawson and Hillian, row number 2.
I need my cars for the Pro Predator B mains to show up. Let's go. Then Senior Animal.
Getting feel for the racetrack as we worked it a little bit during our trophy presentation there during our break between the heat races and the features. As the lights are off, green flag in the air, we're racing. Ward off with a great start there as Tyron Lawson in second. As the 76 Hatch goes around in there in turn number 4. Caution comes out. Here we go as they come out of turn number 4. Lights will be going off. We'll see the green flag next time by. Cole Ward, Tom Lawson, Eric Tracy, your top 3. Here we go. Picking up the pace, coming out of 4. Green flag back in the air. Eric Tracy goes around there as the caution comes out. As we have lights are off. Single file. Cole Ward still your leader. Green flag back in the air. Now turn number 4. Cole Ward still out in front. Now down the back stretch. Single file all the way around the little track here at the Cowan Civic Center. As the 321 of Cole Ward's is your leader. Caution is out. And the 2 cars spun there in turn number on the front stretch. Getting the 1 to go. Lights be going off as they'll be firing there in turn number 3. Green flag in the air. Cole Ward, your leader, as they go on the turn 3 and 4 down the front stretch. Hillian on the back bumper there of Lawson. That'll forward for second as Lawson's trying to hold on in that second spot as Hillian's right there on the back bumper as they come down the backstretch. White flag is out. One more lap to go for the 321 of Cole Ward. Hillian now up in second. Tracy up in third. Checker flag in the air though for the 321 of Cole Ward. Andrew Hillian second and Eric Tracy third.